What if I told you that you could have a dashboard that looks like this and that you could build it yourself with no coding ability and have it up and running in less than 5 minutes? Imagine this. You're a defensive coordinator, all right? Or you're an offense coordinator and you want to look at defensive data and you want to have a dashboard and somebody comes out and says, we'll make you one for $3,000. You can have one in 5 minutes up and running. But coach, I don't know how to code. You don't have to know how to code. It's called vibe coding. And best part, I'm going to give you the prompt. So I have an AI resource available. I've got it linked. You can use that AI resource. Inside of it is everything you need to not only do this, but to be able to do a lot of things with AI, but also to be able to build a custom analyst in ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, or an all-in-one agent called Magica. All right. And you can use your agent, all right, to be able to look at data and you can talk to the agent, actually have a conversation, but it's going to, I give you everything you need, the training, everything, like the training documents, you just upload them, boom, 3 minutes, you're up and running. And then I give you what you need to be able to build your dashboards. All right. I've got an offensive resource, a defensive resource, and there's a bundle with both. But think about this. Imagine you're getting ready to play a team. Look at how many things they do. All right, just look how many things they do. So what do I want to do as a defense coordinator? I want to be able to predict what they're going to do in certain situations so I can shrink their playbook and be able to be more accurate with my call sheet. So I can start off and say, well, let's just look at 1st and 10. Look at all the things they do on 1st and 10. But what if I say, all right, what about 1st and 10 in 10 personnel? Look what I just did to that play sheet. And now let's say, what if we're in 3 down territory? Now look how much I've shrunk that. So by using AI, I'm able to do things that I could not do myself because my brain cannot process that much data that quickly. But now when I go into a game, we can say, okay, hey, it's 1st and 10. Now they're in 11 personnel. Coach, they just went to 12 personnel. So now I know what they're going to do based on that situation. I can go in now and shrink the playbook. Okay, hey, it's, 2nd and long. What do they do on 2nd and long? Well, they're 52% run. What if they're 10 personnel? Now they're 37% run. What if they're 12 personnel? Now they're 83% run. So if I have a coach telling me the personnel, we can win. Take your data out of your video program, upload it here. It takes literally 2 seconds to do. I go in, I want to clear it. I cleared my filters. Okay, I'm going to upload some data. Let me go down here and I'm going to get one of these small playlists. Look at that. Boom, it's in. I give you the prompt. You're going to go in. You can do this in ChatGPT. You can do it in Magica. You can do it in Lovable. I give you the prompt. You put it in, and then you do what's called iterating because it might not be perfect the first time, but I give you the prompt that this is one prompt. No anything added, just one prompt. And I give those to you, copy, paste, and then it takes 5 to 10 minutes. The program will give you something you can use. That's why you need to get this ordered now. I got links. Put links down below. That's why, this is the defense coordinator version. Of course, also for offensive coaches, how much better of a play caller are you going to be if you can say, well, I know in this situation that they're going to play zone coverage and it's probably going to be cover 3. I call cover 3 beater. That makes me a lot better coach if I know they're going to bring a 5-man boundary pressure and we're going to get cover 3. I know they're playing 3 deep, 3 under. I can make a lot better play call. All right. If I know they're going to be a man. So use the link down below, order these so that you can get everything you need to get started so that you're not scrambling when the season starts. You don't need to go out and spend thousands of dollars. You can code your own dashboard, and I give you the tools that you need to be able to do this. All right. So anyway, you can do this without any coding or technical ability. And I give you all the tools that you need to be able to do this, do it quickly, get yourself up and running.